In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Claude to scrape TikTok. With this method, you can extract any data that appears on the TikTok website, including video data and profile data, and then export it to a format of your choice, such as CSV files. The best part is that it's very quick to set up and doesn't require any technical experience. Let's dive right in. All right, so here I am on the TikTok website. I went ahead and searched for the term vibe coding. Here are some results of the top videos. And my goal is to basically extract the description, the username, the number of likes, and the number of shares, and the number of comments of each one of these videos that are on this list. For this, I'm going to be using the Claude Chrome extension, which I went ahead and installed in my browser. You can do this very easily by just searching for Claude Chrome extension on Google, and you will find the link to install it. Here it is. I'm going to click to open it, and it opens up in my sidebar. Now, Claude can actually see all the data that is available on this page, and it can also automate any action that I can perform as a user on this page. Now, all I need to do to extract the data on this page is just tell it that I want to extract all the top videos on this page. For each video, I want to see the description, number of views, likes, shares, and comments, and also I want the username and the link of the video. So with just that prompt, it's able to now start scraping the page. As you can see, it's reading the page, opening new tabs, going through the videos here, scrolling down. And at some point, it actually asked me, it told me that the views aren't available and that the top results have an infinite scroll. So it could keep scrolling and scrolling and scrolling, and it will keep finding like new videos to scrape. So I had to provide it with some constraints here. So I gave it some constraints. I told it that I want to extract the top 20 videos. And then for the views, I actually didn't know that views are not available on the TikTok web version, maybe because I'm not logged in. But even on the video page, when the video page opens up, the views are still not visible. But I didn't know that, so I told it that the views are available on the video page. So that was my response there, but of course it didn't manage to actually extract the views, but it did manage to extract the comments and the shares which are available on the video page. So anyway, I gave it that information. It continued its scraping. As you can see, it's opening up all the different video pages to extract the number of comments, the number of shares of each video. So here are the results. It created a table for me that shows the data for the first 20 videos here. And for each one, I get the username, the link, the description, the number of likes, the number of comments, and the number of shares. I then asked it to export this data to a CSV file. So it's able to convert the data into any format that we like. And it downloaded that file on my computer. I opened it up, and here it is. Nice. Now, the next thing I wanted to experiment with scraping is the profiles of these people. So what I did is I asked it to open the profile of the top 30 videos on this page and extract the username, profile link, number of followers, and the bio. So it went ahead, it created a plan, and then within a few minutes, it was able to come back with another table that shows the username, profile link, number of followers, and bio of each creator. I once again asked it to export the results to a CSV file, and that was it. So that's how you can use Claude to scrape data from TikTok. Now let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or suggestions for other videos that you would like to see. For example, if you want me to show you how you can scrape other types of data from TikTok, or maybe scrape data from another site, just let me know in the comments, and I can do a video about that as well. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you on the next one.